Hello, this is Peter Lai. Glad to see you out there again.
And this is Jennifer.
And today we are going to talk about a cat.
Right.
That, is getting increasingly popular throughout the whole world.
Right, a famous cat. And that's why our title is A Wobbly Cat Stumbles to Stardom.
Well, I feel sorry for the cat because he cannot walk, normally. I think there's something wrong, with the cat. We'll find out about that. But anyhow, let's take a look at this word, wobbly. This is an adjective.
Right.
The verb form, of course, is wobble. He wobbles as he walks. 也就是他走路的时候摇摇晃晃，对不对？
对。
Don't wobble the table. 不要摇这个桌子，也可以用动词这样使用。What about the meaning of this word, stumble?
Stumble is like you're tripping, you lose your balance, you're almost falling.
I see. 所以呢，通常呢，就是要踢到什么东西要跌倒的样子，对不对？跌跌撞撞的走路叫 stumbles. Stumbles too. 撞的什么一步一步的很吃力的走入到了什么东西呢？就是明星殿堂 stardom。这个 dom 很有意思啊，就是一群组织这样子，像 kingdom 就是王国，我们可以就用 stardom 也是来自这样的一个字。
Actually, there's a slight difference in how you use the word wobbly and the way you use the word stumble. So in Chinese, the wobble is 摇摇晃晃 and stumble is 跌跌撞撞. So if you're only looking at the Chinese meanings, you can't really feel the difference.
Yeah.
But wobble in English, it usually means steadily. Well, actually, you're moving unsteadily from either side to side or forward, backward. It's repeated. It's a repeated motion. So you wobble side to side, or forward to back, forward, backward. So usually we use it to describe things. Maybe you can imagine like a table. A table has 4 legs or a chair has 4 legs and one of the legs is shorter than the others, right? So it will wobble from side to side. Or maybe like a baby walking, like wobble from side to side. Right? But when you stumble, you really just almost fall. Okay, you trip on something, you're almost falling.
这个 trip, T-R-I-P, 本来是旅行。He's on a trip to Tokyo. 他到旅行要到 Tokyo 去，东京去。那么这个呢，但是他当动词的话是用 trip。Trip 就是撞的东西要跌倒，好像啊。He tripped on a stone. 或是pebble 踢到那个一个鹅卵石，不小心呢，准备要跌倒了这样子。
Right. And see, whereas wobble is usually from side to side, stumble is usually forwards. So here that's why they're using it as stumbles to stardom, because you're falling forwards into stardom.
对 ，wobble 通常是左右这样的晃动哈，但 stumble 是往前走，但跌跌撞撞的往前走。Very good. 好，我们现在就来看。接下来一句一句做讲解。
Phineas is no ordinary tabby cat.
Phineas 这是一个名字 is no 就等于 not an 绝对不是，用 no 是比较强调的用法。Not an ordinary tabby cat 不是一个普通的虎斑猫 tabby 就长着条纹的这种猫。接着我们往下看。
He suffers from a condition that causes him to wobble and fall over when he walks.
他呢，长期罹患叫 suffers 后头一定要加 from， 长期罹患一种状况 a condition。这个状况呢 that causes him 会促使了他 cause somebody to do something 一定要加 to， 促使了他 to wobble 左右摇晃 and fall over 以及往前跌倒。When he walks, 当他走路的时候，这是一只公猫，所以可以把它拟人化，用 he。当然你也可以用 it， 但用 he 比较有感情，对不对？
比较有亲切感。
对。Suffer 如果不加 from 的话，叫衣食遭受的意思。He suffered a big loss in the investment. 这次的投资啊，遭受了很大的损失。但 suffer from 长期罹患 He suffers from lung cancer 就是长期罹患肺癌。好，接着就往下看。
However, his blank way of walking has also made him a star on social media, with 2 million followers.
不过呢，他那什么样的方式 way of walking 就走路的方式 has also made him 也使他成了什么 a star 一个明星一个网红 a celebrity 怎么拼的呢
Celebrity C-E-L-E-B-R-I-T-Y Celebrity
好就是网红一个明星 on social media为什么这边用 on 而不用 in 呢？这个通常呢都是指的是电视或者是什么呢？我们一般的 YouTube 上面所看的这些东西，所以我们才会用 on television, on the internet, on YouTube 这样用法，都是要用 on 的。所以 social media 社群媒体上面呢，使得他成了一个明星，因为他的什么样的走路的方式。His blank 后头有一个 way 当然要找呢是一个形容词发觉很容易看到 H 这个是最棒的一个对不对所以怎么念呢
H unusual
很不寻常的跟人家不一样的整句我们再念一下吧
However, his unusual way of walking has also made him a star on social media with 2 million followers
你看看这是他成了这个社群媒体里面的成了明星奇特的这种走路方式而且有200万粉丝的 followers 就追踪者这指的就是 fans 好接着再往下看
This blank has helped raise awareness of rare diseases like the cat's condition, bringing the challenges faced by patients and families to a wider audience.
那他下面说了 This has helped 也帮助了 help 后头是 to He helped do the work 也就等于 He helped to do the work 加 to 不加 to 两个都对也帮助了有助于 raise 提升了这种 awareness 这种了解意识到这种重要性什么的了解呢 of rare diseases 罕见的一些疾病 like the cat's condition 就像这只猫的这种病情一样的然后这一点 which brings 把 which 去掉 brings 那么就改成了 ing bringing the challenges 就带来了一些挑战这些挑战怎么样呢 faced by patients带来的这个挑战谁所面临的呢 which are faced by patients 被病人 and families 以及家人那么怎么样呢 raise awareness 唤起这个注意对谁唤起注意呢 to a wider audience 更广的一群人
Right, a bigger, wider audience.
好所以我们第二空格必须找的是名词因为当主词前面提到的是他呢变成网红了所以这种答案是第4个 D 名声所以我们整句再念一下
This fame has helped raise awareness of rare diseases like the cat's condition, bringing the challenges faced by patients and families to a wider audience.
好我们接着再看下面的句子
Phineas was born with cerebellar hypoplasia, a disorder in which the cerebellum, the brain part that is blank for balance and coordination, is underdeveloped.
好 Phineas 这只猫呢 was born 生下来的时候就带有这个 with 就等于 having H-A-V-E 把 E 去了加 I-N-G 有什么呢 cerebellar 就是跟小脑的有关的就是小脑的Hypo 就是弱的 Hyper 呢 H-Y-P-E-R 那么就是强的比如说 hypertension 那就指的高血压那么 hypo 呢就是低的什么呢 pleasure 就是 发育，也就是小脑发育不全的这种疾病。后头放了同位语 which is a disorder， 这是一种失调。在哪儿的失调呢？ In which 后头又放了形容词子句用关系代名词。在这种状况之下呢 the cerebellum 也就是你的小脑当主词，然后后头省了 which is the brain part which is 省略掉了形容词子句，把 which 去掉 is 变成 being 再把它省略掉。他说也就是我们脑中的一部分。这种小脑怎么样呢？ That is 就等于 which is 后头有 for balance， 专门来负责维持平衡啦以及协调 and coordination 用的。 is underdeveloped， 所以指的这个小脑没有发育得很完全，才会造成这种现象，有点像我们的小脑萎缩症。
有一点像。
所以在这边我们马上可以看到有个空格后头有一个 for，be 动词后头必须放形容词，能够跟 for 并用的。第三个 C belonging 要加 to，inspiring 是激发直接放受词，所以在这边能够有 for 并用的形容词只有 F be responsible for， 就是专门负责维持你的平衡跟协调的这个小脑发育不全。接下来再把这个整句再念一下。
Phineas was born with cerebellar hypoplasia, a disorder in which the cerebellum, the brain part that is responsible for balance and coordination, is underdeveloped.
好，我们看下面句子。
He was found as a stray kitten and taken to a shelter.
当时他被找到的时候还是个 as a stray， 就是没有主人的流浪的叫 stray。Kitten 是一只小猫 and 后头省了 was taken to a shelter， 然后把它送到保护之家。 shelter 本来是避难所，这边是指的收容之家。好，接着我们把这个句子呢，下面的句子再念一下下面的句子咯。
Phineas was later blanked by a couple who came across his story about his disease on social media.
Phineas was later 之后呢，到了这个保护之家收容所之后呢，就被怎么样 by a couple 被一对夫妻，所以马上知道 was 后头必须放过去分词形成被动语态，所以在这边找过去分词的刚好是答案是第二个 B 以及 I 这里面还有 E， 但是既然是被领养嘛，所以看得出来这个答案是第二个 B adopter。好，我们整个句子再念一下。
Phineas was later adopted by a couple who came across his story about his disease on social media.
这边的一个 came across 就等于 happen to read， 就是正巧来念看到这个故事，或者 happen to find the story， 这样都可以这样说。 I came across Peter， 正巧碰到On my way home 回到家的时候，或是 I ran into 也是可以这样说 R-U-M 改成 R-A-N ran into， 或者是 encounter 就不能加 into 了， encounter 怎么拼着呢？
Encounter, E-N-C-O-U-N-T-E-R, encounter, and if it's past tense, encountered.
还要加 ed 在这个地方。好了，那么刚好被一对夫妻，那么就是领养了。这夫妻呢是无意间看了他的故事，就是他的报道，有关他的这种疾病，在社群媒体里头。好，我们接着再往下看。
The couple, who are both biomedical scientists, have extensive blank of the nervous system.
好，这对夫妻 who are both后头放了形容词子句修饰这个夫妻 who are both 他们两个双双都是 bio 跟生物有关的医学 biomedical scientists 生物医学科学家，所以呢 have extensive 这个 have 是动词，就是主词是前面的 couple 是两个人，所以要用 have extensive 广泛的什么东西，形容词后头必须放名词。当然我们这边马上看到这个答案是 J knowledge 的知识，有关什么的知识呢？ Of the nervous system 有关 不要翻成紧张系统，要翻成神经系统。好，现在我们整句再念一下。
The couple, who are both biomedical scientists, have extensive knowledge of the nervous system.
所以 they decided to take Phineas in because they felt uniquely suited to care for him with their experience. 他们就决定 take Phineas in 什么意思啊？
To adopt Phineas. To take somebody or something in means to adopt.
对，就是一样的，就是领养的意思，就等于 take Phineas into their home. 它是这样化简过来的，因为他们they felt uniquely suited, 特别的 particularly 非常的特别的 suited 适合的，很适合的干嘛 ？To care for him 就等于 take care of him， 用他们的经验好好照顾他。接着再往下看 ，They also consider 他们同时认为啊，这个 consider 这边当不完全起伏动词 ，consider A to be B 的意思，那个 to be 其实可以省得掉，所以这句话也可以说 They also consider living with him 怎么样？直接放。I consider him a nice person. 你也可以说 I consider him to be a nice person. 但千万不要说 I consider him as a nice person. 这个一定要特别记住。所以 to be inspiring 这个答案应当是 A， 有启发性的，可以让他们学到东西。所以他们同时认为跟这只猫啊同住啊会是很有启发性的 inspiring。为什么呢？ Because they could learn more， 他们就可以学得更多的东西有关呢我们这个小脑呢 cerebellum and get ideas， 同时也可以获得一些点子或者是观念 for their research， 为什么呢？为他们的研究，针对什么的研究才用 into， 就是深入到这个什么的研究 related 相关的这些失调的这种情况，他们就可以做深入的研究。很好，整个句子我们念一下。
They also considered living with him to be inspiring because they could learn more about the cerebellum and get ideas for their research into related disorders.
好，我们接着再看下面的句子。
They created Instagram and TikTok accounts for Phineas to share his daily adventures and educate people about conditions like his.
他们就创立了这个在 Instagram 以及这个 TikTok 这个平台上面呢，我们常常念这个 TikTok， 就是念的是对的，但是我们这边的 TikTok 不是这样念 TikTok， 好像 accounts 建立的账户 for Phineas， 让他怎么样呢 to share his daily adventures 来分享他每天的冒险因为对他来讲每走一步每吃一个东西都摇摇晃晃都是一个冒险 and educate people， 那么这个 and 后头放的原形动词跟前面的 to share 那个 share 是形成对等，一方面是分享，二方面同时教导呢大家人们 about conditions like his， 有关他的这些病情所发作的情况，让我们世人都知道。我们接着再往下看。
They also planned a crowdfunding campaign using contributions from products featuring Phineas' picture to support animals and people in need.
They also 他们同时怎么样 They 是主词，所以空格必须找过去式动词，用 campaign一种运动，发起一种什么运动，所以呢我们当然可以看得到这个过去式动词是 I 了 launched 发起一种呢大众筹募的叫做 crowdfunding 一个基金活动。那么干什么呢 using 同时本来是 and used， 第二个 and 省略掉，当你没有连接词的时候第二个动词就要变成现在分词，就好像 he stood there smoking， 本来是 he stood there and smoked， 但为了让他们更紧凑，第二个连接词把连接词 and 去掉的时候，它第二个动词就要变成现在分词，于是他就 同时发起这些东西，而且利用这些捐款 contributions 来自于什么地方呢？ From products 来自于他们所销售的一些产品吧，这样子哈。刚才什么呢？什么产品呢？ Which feature 就是主打的是 Phineas picture， 主打的 Phineas 他的图像的一些产品，利用这些产品的所产生的这些利润呢，干嘛呢？ To support animals 来支持所有的其他动物 and people in need 还有包括穷人。People in need 就等于 people who are in need 就是很匮乏的人 in need of help, in need of something 等等。好，我们再把这样的句子念一下。
They also launched a crowdfunding campaign using contributions from products featuring Phineas's picture to support animals and people in need.
好，接着我们再看下面的句子。
Phineas has become a symbol of hope for many of those with conditions related to the nervous system.
Phineas has become a symbol, 它成了一种所谓的希望的象征 a symbol of hope. 对谁来讲呢？ For many of those, 对许多这些人来讲。什么人呢？ With 就等于 who have conditions, 他们那些有症状。什么症状呢？ Which are related to, 把 which are 省掉了。这些症状都是跟什么有关的呢？他讲说呢，which are related to the nervous system 跟神经系统方面有关的这些症状的这些人呢，那么带来了希望。我们接着再往下看。
Through his heartwarming presence on social media, the cat has blank individuals dealing with similar struggles.
透过那个让人心中感到温暖的这种 presence 出现，在哪出现呢？在社群媒体上的出现。那么怎么样呢？ The cat has blank individuals. 他说这只猫就 has 什么样 individuals 是名词，所以呢我们这边找的必须是一个过去分词的及物动词，使得 individuals 做它的受词，所以这个答案要用 connected， 这个答案是 E， 因为这样子就连接起来了，就是变成那么这只猫呢也就连接了这些人个体，每个人的不同的人 who are dealing with 他们正在跟什么奋斗的类似的这些挣扎 struggles， 对付这些生活上的一些不便的这些挣扎的这些人呢，那么一起这样子来连接在一起，然后一起奋斗。好，我们整句再念一下。
Through his heartwarming presence on social media, the cat has connected individuals dealing with similar struggles.
好，我们再看下面的句子。
They find comfort and a sense of blank in viewing his videos.
这些人找到了安慰，同时也找到了一种什么感呢？ A sense of 后头必须放名词，所以我们这马上可以看到用 belonging 一种归属感这动名词当名词用。And viewing his videos， 当他们正在观赏他的这些录影呢，那时候呢，他们会得到安慰和归属感。好，接着往下看。
They find comfort and a sense of belonging in viewing his videos.
很好，接着我们再看下面的句子。
Phineas also shows people that he can still enjoy life while making blank in the world.
然后呢 Phineas 他 also shows people 也展现给世人什么样呢？ That he can still enjoy life， 他仍然可以呢享受人生，享受猫生，这边不让
猫生
人生 while making a， 当然是同时在世界上造了一个什么东西呢？造了大大的影响的时候呢，可以享受人生。那么这里边最后一个单词也就等于 difference， 不选他还选谁啊？所以这个答案应当是 G， 我们再念一下。
Phineas also shows people that he can still enjoy life while making a difference in the world.
好，那么接下来我们看最后一句。
His wobbly walk reminds us that we can still get by even in the toughest times.
好，它的这摇摆的走动，就摇摆的人生呢 reminds us 让我们想起了，提醒我们了解 reminds us of something， 通常要加个 of。 He reminds me of my brother， 他使我想起我哥哥，但这边是后头放了个 that 子句，那个 of 就不需要加上去了。 He reminds me that life is worth living，它是让我想起人生值得这样活的。好，我们接着再来看 that we can still get by， 我们仍然可以熬过去，叫 get by， 就等于 survive， 这个字 survive 我们拼一下
survive S-U-R-V-I-V-E survive。
Even in the toughest times， 即使在这个所谓极为艰困的时刻，那个 time 这边要用复数，这种时刻时局等等，仍然可以熬得过去，过得去。好，我们下次再会。
See you next time.